Hey all, thanks for joining me today. In this video, we're making a Mario Piranha Plant by Dom360, found on printables. I've already printed off the pots, there will be a time lapse to follow later on. But right now, I'm just removing the supports of all the parts printed. Enjoy the video, I'll catch up with you in a minute. Now, as I'm taking off this stubborn support of this Piranha Plant, I do warn viewers that there may be a little bit of injury about to come up. There's nothing crazy to see, but just for those of a sensitive disposition, it's about to happen in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Now, I know I said nothing crazy did happen and it didn't look like much, but as I was snipping this, I realised that I started bleeding all over my table. It's not in this video, of course, hence why I've got my wife's lovely Happy Fox plasters on. I'm okay, but as I said in my previous video, who said being a 3D printer wasn't dangerous work? Now, as you can see, I'm taking off the supports from the mouth/teeth area. It doesn't look that difficult, but this was an absolute nightmare. I've had to speed this video up and edit out. This took almost an hour just to remove. And the main reason, because the teeth were so thin, I was afraid of breaking them, which spoiler alert, I will do later on in this video. The rest of the parts was really difficult to reach because it was such small areas and I wanted to look as clean as possible. I didn't want to leave bits of filament bogies all around. So yeah, I just had to dig into tight areas, pull bits off, tweeze, pull, snap and all of that. Did work in the end, hence why this video was being made. But yeah, this was an absolute nightmare to do. Now, after I removed all the supports, I looked at it and it looked okay, but I thought I could do a lot better. So I went back and sanded it intensely with a very fine 800 up until 1300 grit sandpaper. Yeah, I just want it to look really nice, really smooth. And as I said in the video notes, I really enjoyed sanding this bit. Let me know in the comments what you think, if it was worth doing or should I just left it. But I think it made it look a lot better, a bit smoother, and yeah. Now at this point I was ready to glue it all together, keep it solid, but I looked at the leaves and I just wasn't happy. They just looked too flat, they looked lifeless, they looked like the plastic that they were. So as you can see, I've got a heat gun, heated up gradually over time, you'll see the video sped up, and just bent them into a more natural, well I say natural, it's not a piranha plant, right? Leaf shape. I think it turned out 10 times better. I really thought this would really give it a little bit more to do, but let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Now that I've almost completed, done all the spots, which I'm looking at a picture of on the side next to me, yeah, it came out well. I think it looks okay. And as always, it's time for the arbitrary animation / gamma shots. Let's go. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you get a chance, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Mr. Campbell Prince. It's been great spending time with you. So sweet baby G.